Hello everyone, this video is about virtual screening using Pyrex tool. I have taken COVID-19 as a target. Virtual screening is a method using computational technique to analyze large chemical databases to identify possible new drug candidates. Inside this video, we are going to see what is docking and how to download protein and ligand structures and how to find active site residues and docking with Pyrex tool, and finally result visualization. In the field of molecular modeling, docking is a method which predicts the preferred orientation of one molecule to a second molecule when bound to each other to form a stable complex. Knowledge of the preferred orientation in turn may be used to predict the strength of association or binding affinity between two molecules using scoring functions. Okay, let's download protein structure. Go to protein data bank. Search 6LU7. In the right side, go to download files and select a PDB format. Download a 6LU7 PDB structure. 6LU7 is the crystal structure of COVID-19 main protease. Main protease is one of the important target for drug discovery, and it is considered to play an important role in a proteolytic activity of a virus. Next, download ligand molecules. It's nothing but drug compounds. I have downloaded structures of 25 compounds. Go to PubChem database. In the front page itself, you will find a separate link for a COVID-19. Select the compounds which are listed and go to 3D structure and download 3D structure in the format of SDF. Next, you have to prepare a library of ligands. For that, you need a new software called OpenBabel. In the OpenBabel software, you need to select the input and output format in the SDF format because you have downloaded the structure of ligands in the SDF format. Go to output file and select the destination and give the name for the file and save. And select the input file. Select all the ligands you have downloaded and click open and click convert, and output will be generated. Next, you have to find active sites for your target. Active sites can be found by literature search or using online and offline tools. You can find your active sites, and databases like BDB and Uniport-KB also give the details of active sites. For my target, I have found active sites in a literature. Now we have all the pre-requirement for docking. Let's do docking using Pyrex tool. Pyrex is a virtual screening software for computational drug discovery that can be used to screen libraries of compounds against potential targets. First, go to Edit and give Preference. In the fourth box, you can select your destination for your output file. In this video, I have created a folder name called docking, and I selected that folder and click OK. Click File, Load Molecule for loading your protein target. In this video, we have selected 6LU7 as a target. Zoom the protein structure for your convenience. In the navigated column, you will find your protein target. Right click on 6LU7 and go to AutoDock and make macromolecule. Vina Wizard will be installed when you installing Pyrex tool. In control panel, go to Vina Wizard and click Start. And then you have to load your ligands. I have already prepared a library of ligands using OpenBabel. So go to OpenBabel and right side click and load your ligands. After loading ligands, you have to minimize their energy. For that, right click and minimize all. You can edit your preference in the edit option. Again, right click and convert all to Autodock ligand. By clicking convert all to Autodock ligand, we are preparing a ligand molecule for a docking. After making Autodock ligand, go to Vena Wizard. Then you have to select all the ligands and macromolecules. Macromolecules will be selected automatically. For selecting ligands, double click on ligands and then using Ctrl plus Shift key, you have to select all the ligands. After selecting ligands, in the bottom of the screen, you can confirm your selection. After confirming, click on forward. Then grid-like structure will be appeared in the view panel, and you can adjust the shape and structure of a grid by dragging the balls of the grids. Go to navigator panel and select molecules, and you have to remove the C chain. For that, right click on C and select the remove from scene. Then C chain will be removed. Select A chain. In the menu bar, select a toggle option and you have to select our active sites. For my target, I have already got my active sites in a literature. Select active sites. Alongside, you will find a pink like portion. This is our active site for our target. Active sites should not come out of the grids, so you can adjust the grids using balls. Grids should be cover the active sites. After confirming, down screen you will find the option Run Vena, and selecting Run Vena, the docking process will begin. This process will take some time. The time is depend upon how many ligands you have taken. The ligands will be docked one by one. After completion of the process, the results will be appeared in the down screen. The different binding affinity and different orientation of the ligands will be shown. You can save a CSV format by clicking options in the right side. Give a name for your output file and select a destination and click save. Open docking folder, and there you can find your result. Open result file. In this file you can see a different orientation and different binding affinity and RMSD score for a different orientations of a ligands. In the same folder you can see the output of a Pyrex. Go to macromolecule and 6LU7. You can find the different ligand details and a protein detail. Next step is result visualization. Result visualization can be done by softwares like Discovery Studio and PyMol. In this video, I have taken Discovery Studio. This is the interface of the Discovery Studio. Go to File and click Open and select all file format. Then select your protein target, that is 6LU7. Then again go to File, Open. Now you have to select a ligand. Again, select all file format and select any one of the ligand. Click open. Then you will see a ligand. Go to protein tab and select 6LU7. The protein will be in yellow color, and copy the protein structure. Again, go to ligand screen, select and paste the protein. The left side you can see the different orientation of a same ligand. You can select and see the different orientation of a ligands. In the menu bar you can have many options. Click structure and go to monitor and select H bond for a hydrogen bonds between the proteins and the ligand. This is how you can visualize your results from the Pyrex tool. Thank you.